Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail that was kind of an exchange. Shauna, and it's Shauna L. Cohen, and I will leave links below for her Instagram and for her Unique 37 US YouTube channel. Now, she hasn't started posting YouTubes yet, but go ahead and subscribe to her. She's really a nice girl. I just really like her. She has Blythe and other dolls. Just a really nice person. Thank you very much. Thank me. Marna, even though you didn't have to do it, you did it anyway, and it was much appreciated. Thank you for allowing me to be part of this great doll community. Very appreciated. Are you kidding? Everybody is welcome in this community. I love you all. From your dolly friend, Shauna. So she advertised on a chat list that she had, I think she said she thrifted them. I don't know. If you all don't know, I have a very large 36 to 38 inch Barbie and Disney doll collection. I also have Patty Play Pals. Let me pause here and remind you how a Happy Mail is a hug in a box. Not only did she send what's in here, she had to get a box this up, and look. I mean, thank you so much. I just can't thank you enough. When you get Happy Mail, it's a huge deal. It really is. I know I'm bad about getting stuff in the mail because of the posting of it. Post officing, I mean. Anyway, she had these, oh, look at this, a decorated box. How cool is that? She had these shoes. Oh, there's a lot more in here. Oh, wow. These are like 18-inch doll shoes, boots. How cute are they? They're a little, I bet they fit one of my dolls. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Shauna. Look at this. These are for 18-inch or Blythe. Little glasses. Oh, there's more in here. Oh my goodness. Look at these glasses. Oh, they're so cute. Little polka dot. Ah, that's so cute. Look at these. Oh, it's a hat. Oh, how cute is that going to be on Daisy, my little Blythe? Oh, that's going to be adorable. In fact, let's just get her over here. Oh, that is so cute. Let's just stand you here wearing that. Thank you so much, Shauna. That is adorkable. And there's a coin in here. Let me read it. Ah, my glasses are nearby. Kindness coins. Oh, that's cute. You made me smile. How nice is that? I don't know if I can read that. I pass it on. What you did, I can't read it. Here, get a close-up, and I bet I can read it off of there. Okay? All right, let me set this here because there is more. I cannot believe that. I knew there, oh, wow. Oh, one of my bitty babies is going in that. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much. This is, I believe, a toner doll. It is, and when I saw it, she sent a picture and said, would you like this? I'm like, surely that's not Marilyn Monroe, but son of a gun, she is so generous and kind that she sent this doll. Oh gosh, this is a nice sized doll. These are the bigger fashion dolls. They were large like this before Barbie, most were. She's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Look at that iconic gown, the iconic necklace. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. She is gorgeous. Shoes, not a problem. Darren makes those soles, and then I can add ribbon. I think, yep, let's see if this is the shoes. Are you kidding? Listen how greedy I am. It is, it is, it is. And I think these are Anna's shoes, but I'm not positive. But they do go to one of the Disney princess dolls. And some of my dolls, I buy them used. And some of them do need shoes. So you had me at these, Shauna. Let's just check. I'm not expecting anything else in here, but the generosity is unbelievable. Thank you so much. Wow, way, way more than I expected. And how cute is my Daisy? Ah. Pull that down a little more. Oh, it's her pigtails, haven't. There, isn't that adorable? Oh gosh, I love these Blythe dolls. I just love them. And this is oh gosh, I cannot thank you enough. And oh, how cute. How fun. Stop by and leave a subscription for Unique 37 US and on Instagram, Shauna L. Cohen. You can follow her there. She has some beautiful pictures that she puts up. She is planning to go to the BlytheCon. I can't wait to meet her there. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.